Hi guys. So in this video, I shall be discussing about the CET and Comet K related stuff, like people who have written CET who will write Comet K, uh, what rank to expect, and if you're kind of certain that you're going to get this rank, or you think for this college, this branch, what rank I need. So what kind of preparation I should do. So anything related to these kind of things I shall be discussing. I shall tell my own experience because I'm studying in RV College. I am in third year now, and I got in through CET. I am studying electrical engineering, and Comet K also I wrote. So in my time, that is in 2018, Comet K was having offline counseling and CET online. CET, there were 3 rounds: round 1, round 2, and round 2 extended. And Comet K, there were 2 rounds. So I shall be telling you my experience also. First, let us see the uh, College Pravesh website. Let's get some facts correct. Let's see some rankings and all that. So So I'm in College Pravesh website, and RV College 2019 cutoff, let us see. 2019 cutoff for CET exam. Let us consider general merit. You can give whatever category you have and check it out. But general merit usually is the toughest. There are very few seats and a lot of competition. So 2019, let us see. Let us see round 2 extended. So in 2019 round 2 extended, the most wanted branch, computer science engineering, had a cutoff of 230. If you talk about electrical and electronics, it had 2367. Electronics and communications 710. And information science 522. Mechanical 3332. Sorry, what did I say? 3032. So these are the ranks. There is some left out round also. I do not understand what is this left out round. I did not have this during my time. So there were 4 rounds, I believe, in 2019, and the rank had gone pretty high. Because if you see 2018, this is 2018 that I'm showing you right now. 2018, if you just compare electrical and electronics, 1090, and 2019 it is 2752. So there is a significant jump. I had got 722 rank, and I had got in round 2 extended. I had got in this round only, and even if you look at computer science and information science and any other branch, even electronics and communication, all of them, the closing rank has gone up. So what can you understand by this? So by this you can understand that people are choosing other colleges in last moment. Like they usually choose like VIT, MIT, and SRM, or some other Bangalore college only, like Ramaya, BMS, because there they would have got their suitable branch. So, or even PS college for that matter. There they would have got their suitable branch because everybody wants computer science, or EC. People don't want mechanical, electrical, and all these branches. So people go to other college, like they choose branch over college sometimes. So for me, what I thought was actually at that time I was not so interested in any particular branch. So because I was getting through CET and the fee was quite cheap, it's around 80,000 only. Compared to everything else, it is cheap. So I told, let's just join RV college. So that was my thinking. I don't think everyone will think like that. People would want their own branch, like their favorite branch. But let me just tell you one thing, that whichever branch you take, if you are applying for job or masters or whatever, all the hard work you only have to do. There is no contribution from my the college I study. That is, if you join RV, you'll have to do everything by yourself, almost everything by yourself. It is very tough to expect anything from any faculty. Most of the time, people do self-study. There are few faculty, maybe one or two, I do not know. I have not come across any faculty which will help you and you can say that that faculty had a contribution in your success. So I don't think there is any such scenario. And I have friends all over Bangalore also, and they tell me that most of the situation is the same. And so what I want to make, like one thing I want to clarify, that it's okay if you don't get your desired college. If you really are interested in a particular branch, then please take that only. Otherwise, you will keep, kind of regretting as to I should have done this, I should have done that. And I want to tell one more thing, like branch change, don't be so hopeful. I don't know about other colleges how easy it is, but in RV, it is not at all easy. Like I had also applied for branch change, but I did not get it. There was only one person who got it out of all the people who had applied. So it means people are not failing. There are no vacant seats. Syllabus is becoming easier. People are passing. So don't expect for a branch change. And if you want to look at the management quota of RV College, then they have reduced the fees because of COVID. They say that they have reduced the fees. So I don't think any significant reduction is done. Computer science engineering is 50 lakhs. My sincere request to all the people, whoever is going through management, just add another 15-20 lakhs and go outside India only. There is no point in paying 50 lakhs for RV college. No point. Please put in more effort and go abroad only. It is better. It is much better, I'd say. So if you want information science, also 36 lakhs. Electronics, you want 25. Electrical is 16. They have done hardly any change, I feel. Very less change. So PS college also I will show you. I had got computer science in PESIT. So my PESIT story is I had written PESAT. I had got computer science. Now I feel I should have taken it. But the fee was kind of not convincing me to join that college. Although I could have paid it, it's not a big deal. It's 3,20,000 I feel. But then it's okay. So if you really want computer science, there are a lot of seats in PESIT. So you can apply for PESIT and there is a chance of getting it there because there are a lot of seats and there are two campuses across Bangalore. One is in Electronic City and another one is in Banshankari. So You can apply if you want computer science. If you are really crazy for it, there is a chance. So PESIT, if you see, if you want it through CET, this is the fees. PESAT is 3,30,000, but CET will be around 1 lakh something. So if you want to see the ranking, let's say CET, let's say general. So computer science 406, it was the rank in the first round. In the left out round, as you can see, 1094, and other branches also is quite high only. So if you want PESIT through CET, you can take it. PS college is also quite decent only, so you can take that. If you are writing PESAT, or if you have already written, I don't know what has happened. PESAT, let's see. So PESAT, they have not shown the information. So PESAT, I got a rank of 476, and I got computer science in the first round itself. There are 2 rounds of PESAT. So I dropped the C, and I think the final cutoff was above 1000 only. Yeah, so you can apply for PS college also. That's also a good college. So this was the management fee, and this was a CET information. So my final, the final thing I want to say is that don't get so disappointed, or don't get so hyper. It's okay, everything will be all right. I have also made a video on the situation of Bangalore colleges. So I have expressed my opinion. You can watch that video also. I'll put the link in the description. And I had also made another video on RVC through CET. I'll put that video also in the description. It's just that if you're really interested in one particular branch, it's okay. You can choose any college, even like Dayanand Sagar, Ramaya. They are also pretty decent only. You will find good students there also. You will find hardworking students. You will make friends with them. So everywhere it's possible, because ultimately you have to do everything. So I hope you're understanding. And that's all for this video. Please share this video with your friends, whoever is writing CET, Comet K this year, with your siblings. So that's all. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.